At first, I was like, ah! But now that I've had time to absorb it,
I love the online world. I now have friends that I prefer to communicate with in the online world because with all the tricks of like emojis and videos and jokes and online ways to communicate, they're amazing. I meet them for a coffee and I'm like, oh my God, you're dead boring. And I might be one of those people myself.
Yes!
Anything that you want to think and hold to be true, you'll find a community. This is hugely valuable for people who have suffered harms, people who are questioning their identity. The flip side of all of that is the cultish behaviors.
Is it Narcissus's pull? Is it reflecting ourselves back, or is it a fun palace mirror that just distorts? It's sort of both. It's an echo chamber for all of our major societal concerns to then be replicated over and over again.
The pro-social is in a constant war with the antisocial.
I don't give up!
And it's not one algorithm. It's hundreds and thousands of them competing with each other. Social media companies are like DJs. And a good DJ controls the room. And it's insidious because you don't hear the music. Because you start sweating and you start quivering. And you start getting angry and you start getting anxious.
Why are you giving him attention?
Before you even realize
You back up!
that there's a manipulation, there's a dark signature, there's a dark pattern behind the emotions that you feel as a consequence of feeding off the content.